All right, today I'm at Cofers Garage in Bartlett, looking at my friend Tommy's fully rebuilt 1966 Mustang. And this garage is really cool. There's a lot of cool stuff in here, and I just excited to be up in here, you know, the feel of a garage, all the cool memorabilia, the cars, the smell. It's awesome. Let's check out some more of his Mustang. Yeah, this Mustang looks amazing. 1966, almost completely fully restored. A Mustang powered Sprint 200. Man, this engine bay is so clean. We're at Cofers Classic Garage in Memphis. Look at this interior. Just incredible.
Full mats.
Here's that's the gas cap, fuel tank.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, here's the rest of the garage. They've been here since 1997. Originally they were downtown back in the 70s. It's such a cool place with all this memorabilia on the walls and all these great looking old cars. And a lot of the stuff I just don't even know like what these cars are, but the owner was real nice and was talking to me about this Boss 302 he was rebuilding. Yeah, this is great, man. Look at this old. This must be like an MG or something. This is cool. Look at this little British. This is an MG, maybe? Yep, little MG. Sweet looking color. MGB. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this little thing, man. Down to the bare aluminum. This is great. Now here's this 1966 convertible Mustang, exactly the same color as Tommy's. Of course, this is being worked on as well. But look at that, they're almost identical. Same everything, except one is convertible. Tommy's is the hardtop. We're just walking around showing you guys just a little bit of everything going on in the shop. What is this car?
It was in a show that used to be called The Supernaturals, and they fought evil. It was actually in the TV series.
Oh, really?
Supernaturals, and they.
Wow, so this is a TV car.
It's a TV car, yeah. I've never heard of the series. She said it was a long time ago, but it was.
Wow.
They would pop the trunk, and they had all kinds of weapons and stuff in there, you know, to fight evil.
What is it? Do you even know what it is?
It's an Impala.
Oh, Chevy Impala. A piece of TV history right here. A show called Supernaturals. This is pretty cool. And here's that Boss Mustang he was rebuilding. I mean, this is great. I just love being in garages like this. This kind of reminds me of what I want to do with my garage, you know, find some of these old signs. And old bumper stickers. Oh yeah, I gotta film this because I've got this right here. Look at this old school IMSA, professional sports car racing. Before it was IMSA, it was professional sports car racing. I've got that sticker actually. Yeah, this is amazing. Trans Am on the left. Isn't that awesome? A lot of Mustangs up in here. This is a pretty cool one, a GT. I mean, look at all the harnesses, wiring, all the electrics that's got to go back into it. Look at that. Completely ripped out. Another Mustang over here. Wow, look at this engine. Wow, this thing's got some power. Look at that, they got a little area like the Goon Squad does up there. They got a little area like the Goon Squad. They built them a little upstairs part.
I asked the guy, Chris, I said, do you ever watch the show called Goon Squad? I said, what's that car they're doing right now? The 67 Camaro. They're doing a 67 Camaro.
He never heard of it?
He said, I might have. All these on signs, they're real.
Oh yeah. This is what I'd like to have in my garage. Look at that old trophy of that dude.
Is that a painting, a painting, dude?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Look at this old trophy right here. Sammy Swindle, 6th place, 2013. Here's the paint booth. I mean, they do everything in-house, man. This is amazing. I mean, look at this garage. Slamming Sammy Swindle. Or Swindell. Yeah, the paint booth. Oh, there's a car in there right now. Wow. There's a car in there right now. This is they cleaned everything up in here.
Yep, new motor, new everything.
Not new motor, just overhaul motor.
Overhaul.
Motor,
Rebuilt,
transmission,
rebuilt. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So what stage is it? You think it's 95% done?
It's ready to start.
I think so.
You gonna
Why
start
don't
it
he
up?
start it?
No, I'm not gonna start it. They're gonna
Why
have
don't
to
you
do it.
start it?
See, they got the battery off.
Oh,
It's ready to start.
Well, didn't you see on the windshield what he's got? They put
Yeah, I saw some notes before running. Yeah.
for a long
did you
period.
tell him about the sticker?
This one, that was
Yeah, I heard about that. That was her. That was the parking sticker when she went to school there.
Last year she went to school there.
Yeah,
And then also,
that's
Michael,
awesome that you're able to find that.
He put all these stickers on the rebuilt. Those are new stickers.
And there was,
Oh, wow.
they got them in the trunk there. It tells you how to change a tire.
flat tire.
Notice Laura's
Yeah.
picture on the phone.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
He has a picture in the hole.
Wow. So here's the lobby.
Oh, here's a picture of the trunk with all the stuff. It has the pentagram.
Great little lobby.
It has all the stuff in it. And they
This-
even have the license. But
okay,
their license
this right
plate
here
flip. They have one to drive
was
right here,
bought
right
at
here.
an
And
auction,
this is the one that's
and
on-
it's all of the items that were on Carol Shelby's desk.
He's recording video.
Yeah, that's incredible. What a great lobby. All these old.
It ran for 15 years.
Look at that. There's the
Super nice.
Shelby garage.
And look at the car.
You know, this makes me want to rewatch
Exactly like what's
Ford
in it.
vs. Ferrari.
So